It is more than likely that Rodney Hinton Jr. will not face the death penalty. It's after a court appearance today. Hinton's accused of running down and killing Hamilton County Deputy Larry Henderson in May 2025, not long after Hinton watched body camera footage of a Cincinnati police officer shooting and killing his son, Ryan Hinton. Prosecutors say they cannot pursue the death penalty because of Hinton's severe mental illness. But how mental illness is handled legally can be confusing. So, WCPO 9 News reporter Sean Delancey has been talking with the experts. And Sean, you're breaking down how this all works in court.
Yeah, Adrian, if Judge Jody Lubers agrees with both prosecutors and Hinton's defense team, execution will be off the table. The legal underpinnings here are complex, so I called up attorney Mark Crumbine, who's been defending capital murder cases since the 1980s. How does serious mental illness play into a capital murder case like this?
This has changed over the last few decades in Ohio and throughout the nation.
Crumbine tells me Supreme Court precedent has made cases involving severe mental illness clear.
If somebody is severely mentally ill, the law says that you cannot be executed or you cannot be executed. And whether some people hate that, some people love it.
If Judge Luber agrees with 3 doctors' evaluation that Hinton is mentally ill and was at the time, death penalty is off the table. That changes what this trial would look like, and it could play into defense attorney Clyde Bennett's arguments.
You have a serious mental illness. Now that's undisputed. That's undisputed that he had a serious mental illness at the time of the offense. That's half of the game.
Bennett says the other half is proving Hinton couldn't understand the consequences of his actions because of the illness.
Mr. Hinton was not in his right mind. He should not be punished as a criminal. He should be treated for his mental illness.
The defense at this point has already submitted a not guilty by reason of insanity plea. Does that make it easy to argue if a ruling like this comes down?
I wouldn't say none of it's easy. I mean, that's a trial question.
Hamilton County Prosecutor Connie Pillich released a statement saying Hinton deliberately killed an innocent man and says she will continue to seek life in prison without the possibility of parole to ensure he, quote, never returns to our community.
Bennett tells us Judge Luber will make her decision on the 14th when Hinton is set to be rearraigned on new charges. Sean Delancey, WCPO 9 News.